How to fix error code 314302 in Genshin Impact. Now, the way to fix this is very simple. And the best thing is, if it doesn't work, you can always reinstall Genshin Impact. It's a huge pain to deinstall and download everything again, but it is the only 100% fix, so to say, that you should only do if this method that I'm about to show you right now doesn't work. So what you want to do is open up the Genshin Impact launcher. Go to PC. Select the disk where Genshin Impact is located. I downloaded Genshin Impact over Epic, so it's in my Epic Games folder. Open up the launcher. So here you go. This is the launcher right here. And what you want to do, next to the launch button, these three lines, so to say, you should click them and select Repair Now. A scan will be performed on your current game files to verify them. And here select Confirm. Once everything is verified, you should be able to run Genshin Impact no problem. This verifying process usually takes up to half an hour max. And that's how to fix error code 314302 in Genshin Impact.